Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics, where we make physics so easy, even your grandma can understand it. Today, we're going to talk about the Faraday effect. Now, you might be thinking, Faraday? Isn't that the guy who invented the car? Nope, that was Henry Ford. Faraday was actually a physicist who discovered this cool effect that happens when you shine light through certain materials. Basically, the Faraday effect is when light waves change their polarization when they pass through a magnetic field. And if you're like me, you're probably thinking, what the heck is polarization? Well, let me explain it to you in a way that won't make your brain hurt. Polarization is like having a bunch of tiny arrows on your light waves that tell them which direction to vibrate in. It's kind of like when you're at a party and you want to dance, but all your friends are doing the Macarena. The polarization tells your light waves which dance moves to do. Now, back to the Faraday effect. Imagine you're at that party and suddenly a magnetic field shows up. It's like a huge magnetic chaperone who starts telling everyone to dance in a different direction. That's what happens to the polarization of the light waves. They get all jumbled up and start doing the electric slide instead of the Macarena. So why is this important? Well, the Faraday effect is actually used in a lot of cool stuff like fiber optic communications. It helps keep the light waves from getting mixed up and going in the wrong direction. And if you're still not impressed, just know that Michael Faraday was such a badass that he refused a knighthood from the Queen of England. In conclusion, the Faraday effect is when light waves change their polarization when they pass through a magnetic field. It's like a dance party where the magnetic field is the chaperone and the light waves are the dancers. And it's used in cool stuff like fiber optic communications. So the next time someone tries to impress you with their knowledge of physics, you can say, "Yeah, I know all about the Faraday effect. It's like a dance party for light waves."